Stop wasting your life before it's too late. Every single day, your future is being shaped. Not by luck. Not by talent. But by your daily habits. The small things you do, every morning, every night, every single moment. They decide who you'll become tomorrow. You may dream of success. But dreams don't work unless you do. Think about this. 1 extra hour of learning every day can make you an expert in just a year. 1 hour wasted scrolling your phone can destroy your potential forever. Habits are like seeds. Plant good ones, and your life blooms. Plant bad ones, and your life withers. It's not the big changes that transform your future. It's the small, consistent actions, repeated every day. Wake up early. Exercise. Read. Focus. Your future self will thank you. If you act now. Keep hitting snooze, keep scrolling aimlessly. And your future self will regret it, for life. Your habits are the mirror of your destiny. Stop saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow never comes. Today is all you have. Discipline is doing what needs to be done. Even when you don't feel like it. Winners have the same 24 hours as everyone else. But they choose to use them wisely. Every small effort, every bit of consistency, builds unstoppable momentum. Your life won't suddenly change overnight. It changes gradually, through the power of your daily habits. Ask yourself right now. Are my habits building my future? Or destroying it? Make that choice today. And your future self will thank you forever. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.